Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. I hope the week's gone well. It's gotten a little cooler here in Nairobi overnight, thank goodness, because it was really hot. International markets, Fed officials see 2019 marking the end of their balance sheet runoff, but not necessarily interest rate increases. Tremendous volatility around the announcement, and we'll touch on that in a minute. China warns new US tariffs will be catastrophic for global stocks. And you know, I said Trump has got a bazooka and Xi Jinping has a scalpel. And the things to watch are soybeans and the Dow Jones, because Trump has no tolerance for a big fall off in the Dow Jones. And he's become quite clever at marking it up on a Friday afternoon, if you notice. And that takes me back to the 9th of July when I was talking about tariff wars, who blinks first. Sun Chartist makes an interesting observation. A whole bunch of FX and equity implied volatility indices have DMARC exhaustion and overextended on Z-score and other mean reversion indicators. It either needs to reverse soon or China-USA trade deal is a much bigger success than what is priced in. I'm not convinced at all. Let's move on to the currency markets. Euro dollar 113.40, but it's been all over the place. It's been to 113.18 and it's got to 113.63. It's being lifted by sterling, which is firm. Dollar index 96.52, Japanese yen 110.67, Swiss franc 1001. The pound, this is firmer, 130.78. I'm not sure what that's about. The Australian dollar, 0.7104, but incredibly got to 0.7207 before being sold down really aggressively. And the story, which I've tried to pick up this morning, seems to be that the Chinese are blocking imports of coal, Australian coal. India rupee 71.1855, South Korean won 11.2501, Brazilian real 372.56, Egyptian pound 17.541, and the rand, my goodness, we're back below 14. But you've got to have a look at the chart. It's just the most incredible movement. And overall, I've met Tito Mboweni at an FT conference in London. We got on really well, actually. It was a virtuoso Yehudi Menuhin level performance by Tito, let me say that. Dollar index back at 96.54. I think you buy the dip. Euro dollar, I think you sell the bounce, 113.36. It struggles up here, but it's not pushing lower. But at some point, something's going to come out and we're going to be down at 110. Gold, in my view, is toppy, 13.33. That's interesting. That's come off $3. Crude oil also near the top of the range here at $57.19, and I think that tops out as well.